Okay, this might be the hardest SAT question of all time.
Okay, so x times 27 to the power of x equals 1. We want to isolate 27, so we would divide each side by x. So it would just be 27 to the power of x equals 1 over x. And to isolate 27 again, we would put these numbers to the power of 1 over x, and same on the right hand side, 1 over x, so the x's would cancel out. So it would just be 27 equals 1 over x to the power of 1 over x. And we know that 1 over x is just to the power of itself, and we know that 27 is just 3 to the power of 3, which is also 3 to the power of itself. And since these numbers both are to the power of itself, we know that 1 over x is just equal to 3. And when we get the reciprocal of each side, it would just be x equals 1 over 3. And that's the answer.
All right, now is this really the hardest SAT math problem of all time? No, there's actually been some SAT problems that are unsolvable. Check out my channel if you'd like to take a look at those. So the label as the hardest SAT math problem ever makes you feel like you're about to watch something that's reserved for geniuses. Spoiler alert, it's not. It's for you to learn how to use algebra to your advantage. Now, let's talk about what's going on here. The actual math here is not brutal. What makes it feel hard is identifying two key things. One is our exponent rules, understanding that if we take the xth root of both sides, we can go and convert that to 1 over x. And then the second key move that seems a little tricky is rewriting 27 as 3 to the power of the third. Once you're able to get through those two relationships, you're able to clearly see the pattern between the bases of both sides as well as the exponent of each side. 100% this is something that can be taught, and it is something you should cover in your math class. This is not reserved for someone with innate mathematical gifts. Also, fun fact, you could just plug in numbers in Desmos to see which one works until you get the right answer. Students will watch it, not understand what's going on, and then feel like math just isn't their section on the SAT. But I'm here to tell you that's incorrect. You can succeed on the SAT, especially the math section, on these very complicated algebra problems that seem complicated at first, but when you dig down, it's only a couple of steps. The question I have for you is not, is this hard, but have you seen this pattern before? And for most students, the honest answer is no. And that is a prep gap, not a talent gap. So if you want the best SAT prep advice, follow below so you can get SAT help that actually makes sense.